A minimalist industrial home combines raw, tranquil beauty and simplicity. A serene, well-balanced atmosphere is created by an open ceiling with exposed beams and smooth concrete walls. The perfect amount of comfort is created by combining soft, neutral colors with warm wood and black metal accents. The room seems wide and airy because of the large windows that let in natural light. A few thoughtfully chosen accents, such as a piece of art or a pendant lamp, provide subtle beauty without distracting from the serene atmosphere. The goal of this style is to create a calm and inviting house by living simply and appreciating the beauty of natural textures and open areas.